What is everyone? In this video I will show you how to make icons transparent on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold any app. Now here click on edit home screen. So click on edit home screen. Now here you will see click on edit. Now here you will see second option is customize. So click on customize. You will see default, dark, clear. So if you want to make icon transparent, so click on clear. So after click on clear, click on screen, you will see app is transparent. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make icon transparent on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.